All glitz, glam, and a touch of AI magic. The 5th Annual Central Luzon Event Suppliers Association o CLESA Ball lit up the Lakeshore Big Tent in Mexico, Pampanga last November 3, 2025 with its futuristic theme, AI Glam, the future is now. More than just a celebration, the event brought together event suppliers, stylists, coordinators, and creatives from all over Central Luzon, all dressed to impress in tech-inspired looks that sparkled with innovation and artistry.
Ang maliit at napakasayang industriya ng events po. Every year nakikita-kita lahat yan, no? Para sa CLESA Ball. Kasi ang galang-galang nating magkita na hindi nagtatrabaho. Kaya ngayong gabi, hindi po kami magtatrabaho. We will be uniting and fostering greater friendships. And we hope to break barriers and extend more frontiers for all Central Luzon suppliers.
The CLESA Ball wasn't just about glitz though. The night's proceeds will be donated to Munting Tahanan of Nazareth, a home for the abandoned and persons with disabilities, adding heart to the celebration.
The total proceeds of the ticket selling today goes to the Munting Tahanan of Nazareth. So thank you very much to all the CLESAns and the distinguished guests who bought a ticket.
Events like this don't just showcase creativity, they also highlight Pampanga's growing reputation as a go-to destination for grand celebrations. From scenic venues like the Lakeshore to elegant hotels and function halls, Pampanga continues to prove it's more than just a culinary destination. It's also Central Luzon's event capital.
Of course, itong mga ginagather nating mga activities, events, and also mga programs na talaga namang pinangungunahan ng ating mga sikat at masisipag and active na mga event suppliers dito sa buong Central Luzon ay nakakatulong para mag-drive ito ng tourism sa ating probinsya dahil naghihikayat ito at nakaka-attract ito ng mga tourists, ng mga visitors na bisitahin ng Pampanga.
Truly, the future of events is bright and it's happening right here in Pampanga. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.